This guy built a $1.2 million business out of his van selling eggshells. Check this out. Okay, it's 2020 and the van life trend is popping off. This guy quits his job, moves into a $1,500 junker, and starts calling himself the Van Man. He has dreams of starting his own business, but no idea what to do. So he just starts posting on Twitter about what it's like to live in a van. People love this content, and he starts to build a small following. But everything changes one day when he comes across this video of Arnold Schwarzenegger breaking an egg into his protein shake. So he goes down the rabbit hole, reading article after article, and discovers eggshells are actually known to prevent cavities. This gives him an insane idea: eggshell toothpaste. He searches for it online and it doesn't exist. So he cooks up a recipe in his van and calls it Van Man's Miracle Tooth Powder. He sets up a Shopify store, posts a link on Twitter, and sells $5,000 in the first day. 2 years later, the Van Man makes over $100,000 per month from his signature toothpaste. Proof that it all starts by sharing your story with the world. Hit that follow for new $1 million business ideas every day.